Hi everyone, hope all are fine. Looking to turn your baking passion into a business? Here are 20 baked goods you can easily sell from home. Let's dive in. Custom cakes. Start with $300 for baking supplies and tools to create custom cakes for events like birthdays or weddings. Use social media for promotions and earn $500 to $2,000 monthly. Cupcakes. With $50 $150 for ingredients and decorative supplies, bake assorted cupcakes for parties or festivals. Sell through local delivery or events, earning $300 to $500 monthly. Brownies. Spend $50 $150 on chocolate and baking pans to bake rich brownies. Offer variations like fudge or caramel, earning $301 to $200 per month through online and local sales. Muffins. Invest $50 to $150 to bake breakfast-friendly muffins in flavors like blueberry or banana. Sell in bundles and earn $300 to $1,000 monthly. Macarons. With $150 to $300 for almond flour and flavoring, create colorful macarons. Sell on platforms like Instagram or at local events, earning $400 to $500 monthly. Bread loaves. Start with $50 $150 to make artisan or flavored loaves like garlic or sourdough. Market locally, earning $300 to $200 monthly. Bagels. Invest $50 to $150 to bake bagels with toppings like sesame or plain. Sell in breakfast packages, earning $300 to $1,000 monthly. Donuts. Spend $100 to $300 for equipment and ingredients to make glazed or filled donuts. Earn $400 to $500 monthly through events and deliveries. Scones. Start with $50 to $150 to bake sweet or savory scones. Sell at tea events or online, earning $300 to $1,000 monthly. Cinnamon rolls. With $100 to $200 for ingredients, bake soft cinnamon rolls with icing. Market as breakfast treats, earning $400 to $500 monthly. And that's it. 10 baked goods ideas to kickstart your home bakery business. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments which idea you'll try first. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!